Hey, this is Trader Travis, and I'm on a mission to encourage everyone I know to learn about online stock option trading, because if you do, you'll discover one of the secret tools of the wealthy. And by strategically using puts and calls, which are the two types of stock options, you can discover how to trade stock options for easy, effortless, and guaranteed monthly income. Now, I know that sounds a little too good to be true, and honestly, when I first learned about option trading, I was completely skeptical. It just seemed too unreal. But hold your judgment for a second, because in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how one of our students increased his account by 30% while the stock market fell in price. And also, you'll see how another student has increased his account by 16% in just a little over a month's time. Now, how can somebody make a 30% increase in their portfolio when stocks fall? It's because options trading allows you to make money when stocks fall. And how in the heck can somebody increase their investment portfolio by about 16% in a month when on average they say the stock market only earns 9 to 10%? And that's based on options leverage. Options are highly leveraged vehicles, which means that you can often have a 50 to 100% return on investment in a matter of days, if not weeks. And so this lesson will reveal some of the hidden opportunities that a lot of people don't know about and how you can maximize your stock market portfolio. All right, so let me go ahead and show you a PDF here of the USA Today on January 5th, 2012. They ran an article on the front page of their money section. Average stock mutual fund lost 2.9%, and it was hurt by events abroad. Okay, that's in the year 2011. However, here's an email I received from one of our students. He was saying happy 2012, and he just asked a random question, and then he'd end it here just with one sentence like it was no big deal to him. He said, also, thanks, I ended up increasing my options portfolio by 30% in 2011, but of course that's not a true 30%. I never had the full amount invested at one time. It's all from small trades, of course, money management. That's correct. You never, ever invest your entire account on one trade. It's just reckless. It's irresponsible. And here's another email from another student just saying, hey, thanks for the 3 recordings. And here's a brief update of my trading performance, cover call strategy. And he broke down his 2 accounts. So he says, after 6 months, I'm up 3,800 or 16.5% on the SPY shares. Okay, his small account is up 14% in 2 months, and his large account is up 6% in 2 months. So then he just left a note here just talking about his confidence and trading skills and how he's enjoying the training. But here he put he's at a profit, but most importantly, he knows exactly what he's doing with confidence and trading discipline that you taught us. That's it. You know, it's not about me. It's not about anything else. It's just a tool. We're teaching a process, but they still have to put it to work. And without the confidence and the discipline to put it to work, you know what? It's not going to turn out good. And so let me just show you real quick a couple of examples of some of the trades we have. And this is how you can make money when stocks go up in price. We have, and there's several different ways you can make money when stocks go up in price with put options. With stock options, but here's just one. We sold some put options here. We opened the trade on January 30th, and we closed it out here on February 3rd. And you can see those trades here. January 30th, we sold 11 contracts at the EM, and we closed it here on 2/3. We bought them back for about $11. The way this trade works is you sell them at a higher price at $1.23. And the way the trade works out, the price of those contracts will dwindle down in value. Of course, we don't have time to go over the complete specifics on how to do this, but just understand that's how it works. Okay, so we wind up making about $1,342 in about a week's time, just from January 30th to February 3rd, $1,300. Okay, so that's how we would make money when stocks go up in price. And people always worry, well, what if the stock crashes in price? And the way this trade works is if the stock winds up going down, then we'll wind up having to buy shares of stock. And people are like, well, if I'm assigning these shares and the stock is falling in price, well, what am I going to do? Well, you could turn around and sell covered calls. And covered calls is one of the oldest and most widely used option trading strategies. And so when the stock pulls back in price, and while everybody else is losing money in their portfolio, you are no longer a net asset value investor. You no longer care about the overall value of your portfolio, because you can rent out your shares. It's like renting out a home. And so you can take your shares and still earn monthly income off of that. And so you can look up that strategy, covered calls, but that's one of the other ways we can make money when stocks fall in price. And again, there are several different ways to make money when stocks fall in price. And so, this video is mainly just to encourage you to learn all you can, because, the belief that online stock option trading is too good to be true, it's for years, it's kept people from realizing the full potential of their portfolio. And so if you want to learn a little bit more about how to trade stock options and maybe earn easy, effortless, and guaranteed monthly income, just go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel or just click the link below. And what that'll do is add you to our notification list. So that way you can stay in the loop and we'll let you know about any new training we put out. So you take care and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.